you hearing strange noises from your engine? Feeling sudden jerks while driving? If so, your car might be suffering from an engine shock issue that could drain your wallet. Problem explanation. Engine shock is often caused by faulty motor mounts, worn-out spark plugs, or fuel system issues. When these parts fail, your engine struggles to maintain smooth operation, leading to rough idling, vibrations, and even sudden power loss. Ignoring these warning signs can result in severe engine damage, costing you thousands of dollars in repairs. Common causes. 1. Worn-out motor mounts. These mounts absorb engine vibrations. When they wear out, the engine moves excessively, causing shocks and damage to surrounding parts. 2. Failing spark plugs. If your spark plugs misfire, your engine won't fire correctly, leading to jerks and loss of power. 3. Fuel delivery issues. A clogged fuel filter or faulty injectors can disrupt the fuel supply, causing your engine to stutter. Sudden jerks while accelerating. Engine shaking at idle. Loud knocking or clunking sounds. Delayed throttle response. Regular maintenance. Check your motor mounts, spark plugs, and fuel system regularly. Listen to your engine. Unusual noises are an early warning sign. Don't ignore warning lights. Engine check lights indicate potential issues that need immediate attention. If you notice any of these symptoms, get your engine checked immediately. Delaying repairs could lead to catastrophic engine failure. Stay informed, stay safe, and save yourself from a costly disaster.